Hi there, Sapan Doshi, Product Manager for Bolin Technology here, and we're going to talk a little bit about what makes Bolin Technology so interesting. Now, if you don't know who Bolin Technology is, we're a professional PTZ camera and AV over IP company. We make PTZ cameras ranging all the way from the small form factor ones over here that are great for houses of worship and podcast studios. We have cameras for conferencing, we have cameras for live events, all the way up to professional studios, theaters, and what we're really known for is our outdoor rated PTZ cameras that are great from -40 to +60 Celsius, that can survive in crazy harsh environments, and they even have a wiper built into them to prevent any water from building up on the lens. Some crazy features like that. And what we're really proud of is our wide support for AV over IP standards, anything from NDI high bandwidth and HX3, Dante AV Ultra, Dante AV-H. I mean, you name the AV over IP standard and chances are we support it. Now, what's awesome about Bolin Technology is we really like listening to our customers and we take customer feedback seriously. So if there's a certain feature request or a certain thing that the product doesn't do that you'd like it to do, we really want to take that into heart and incorporate it into our future products. But you don't have to take my word for it. Please take a demo of these cameras for yourself and experience the power of Bolin Technology.